All right, so I'm done with the election system. Okay, so let me walk you through the possible features that you can encounter. So this is the home page where you can see your vote, your voice. Okay, this is a home page actually. Then about the election and everything that you need to know, you can actually see them here. So log in, how to vote, log in with your index number and short code, select your preferred candidate and then submit. That's all. They review. So let's go to the admin side right now. Currently we don't have any voters. So we can go to admin site. Let me log in for you to see the features that we have. Okay. All right. So currently we don't have any voters and we have only four active candidates that have already input in the system. So the best thing that we can do is we have to import voters so that they can vote. Okay, if you are not in the system, you cannot vote. So let's go to import voters. Okay, so here we are. The instruction is here. Okay, use SFR format and then first whatever they are here, you just read them. So let's import. Okay, so let's click here. I have the voters ready or in Excel. I think this is this voters. Okay, so I'm going to import. I think there are 10 or 11 of them. So here I'll just import. Okay, and then I hit import. Okay, so there we have. Yes, it said import complete. So 10 voters added successfully. So we are able to add 10 voters. So let's get back to the voters now and see if it is true. Those will pop up. So yes, these are voters here, and they are 10 in number, and none of them voted here. Okay, none of them voted here. So this is how it is. All right. So when you go to the let's say the results side, you notice that we have total number of 10 voters, but nobody voted here. Okay, and we have currently position presidency, the president, and then we have the secretary. Those are the two positions I have. All right. Let's go back to the candidate and see something. Now these are the candidates we are having here. Okay, these are the candidates we are having. Now I can choose to edit this first person. The name is Oman Nathan K. Okay, let's say you want to edit it by removing the K. You can click on edit, and then here you see the name K. You just remove it from there, and we hit update. Okay, updated successfully. Right, so let's go back to the candidate and see now the name is updated. Okay, we can equally delete them. We can equally see the individual votes that they are getting. All right, so fine. One thing that we can do is we can add candidates. Okay, so when you click here, we can then go through all this process, name, ID, student ID, name, position that the person is valid for. Okay, and then their manifesto, whatever. Then you submit. What else can we do? I think we can add election. Okay, can add election here. So the time that the election will start and then the time that the election has to end. Okay, that's the feature that we are having here. Okay, so let's say we can add position. Okay, currently we have only two positions, which are um we have one election. Let's say as a Calibre Education election, SRC. That's a one election. And we can add position. First of all, add presidency and secretary. Okay, yes, those are the one I have. I can add another one, maybe the organizing any position that I want to do. Okay, all right. So what else can we see? There are a lot of features actually you need to look at. Okay, so let's say you want to cast our vote. Okay, let's say you want to cast our vote so that we can check the details. First of all, let me be at the candidate side. As you notice, none of them had any vote. They all have zero votes currently. And when you go to the result side, they all have zero. Nobody casted votes, and this is what we are having. All right, so let me be at the candidate side. Let me go back to here and let me sign it as voter. Okay, let me sign it as voter. So here, my index number, and then my short code that they've given me to vote with. Okay, so I just log in, and then I have the interface. So these are the candidate that I have to vote for. Currently, we have only two positions, president and then secretary. So these are the candidates we have to vote for. Now, if I click on this button here, I've selected this man, or I can choose to select the lady for the president. So right now, I'll keep it the lady for now. Here again, we have another lady, Theodora. Then we have this guy. So let me balance the gender. Okay, let me pick this person. Okay, now I have to submit my votes, and that's it. You your vote has been what successfully recorded. Okay, it means that I can return back to um, here. All right, and return back to this place. So let's get back to the admin side again, and then let's see if the vote actually got recorded for the people we selected. Remind you, we get one lady, one boy. So you notice that our dashboard is telling us that okay, they've casted vote for two candidates. Okay, they've casted vote for two candidates, which is here, and then it's one person who voted. Okay, so voters who cast their vote here we have only one. As for this one, the previous one that we've seen. Now let's go to the candidate side. Let me show you something. Let's see something. You notice that now the lady is having one vote. This secretary guy is having one vote. This lady is having vote from the president, which is one. Let's hit the result side and see something. Now it's have changed. Okay, so the tenant is 10%. Let's see. Vote cast. Okay, so this is where we are. We have the lady which is co-chair is having one vote. Okay, this is one vote, and this guy is not having anything at the presidency level. And this is recorded here. So this one is having one vote, this one is having zero. When you come to the secretary side, the guy is having one vote and the lady is having zero. Okay, so those are the cool things about this portal. What else did I talk about? Let me check. One thing we can do again is we can erase all the voters from the portal. We can clear all of them. Maybe we are done with the election, so we need to clear everybody. You can hit on this reset. Okay, you can hit on it, then you'll be able to do that. We can equally delete individually like this. Okay, then it has gone here. If the numbers, maybe the voters are many, maybe somebody voted and they saying that, oh, I didn't vote the things, you can search for the person's number and then you get to know if the person voted or not. Okay, yeah. Then you can add new voter. Okay, you can come here, new voter, whatever, then you add. Okay. The next thing that I think, so here when it hits here, it means that we are clearing everybody from the system, and I don't want to do that. But let me just do it for the tutorial purpose. So, are you sure you want to reset as a yes? So it means that I'm clearing everybody. Okay. If I hit OK, everybody is gone. Now, if you go back to the result side, you notice that still everything is there right. It means that we did not, even though we deleted them, but their votes still count. Okay. So this thing, deleting voters and clearing everything means that you are done with the election before you be doing this one. And here too, you can download the election. Okay, you can download the election. The result here. When you click here, you can download the result that you have currently into your system. So here we have it now, and I can come here and we can see where we are currently, the marks we are getting. All right. So let's say I want to clear the election so that everything will turn to zero, zero. Okay. Now you see here they say reset votes. So when I reset vote, everything has to go to zero. Now you see we have zero and no one is having any votes. So these are the features I included in this voting system. I would love to get your thoughts on it and maybe any advanced features you want me to add. Okay, see you.